In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a Go High level sub-account. If you've ever had a client's sub-account paused or deactivated in Go High level and now need to turn it back on, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can get that account running again in just a few moments. Start by logging into your Go High level agency dashboard. Once you are in, look toward the main navigation area and find the section labeled Sub-Accounts. Go ahead and click on Sub-Accounts. This is where all of your client locations or workspaces are listed, including any that have been paused or deactivated. Take a moment to locate the specific sub-account you want to reactivate. It helps to double-check the name or any identifying details so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. When you've found the right sub-account, look to the right side of that row for a small icon with 3 dots, usually arranged vertically or horizontally. Click on these 3 dots. This opens a small menu of quick actions you can perform on that sub-account, such as managing settings or making status changes. From the menu that appears, click on Manage Client. This will take you into the management area for that specific sub-account. Here, you'll see more detailed options related to billing, settings, permissions, and the current status of the account. It's a good habit to quickly confirm that this is indeed the right client by glancing at the account details on this page. Next, look for a button or drop-down labeled Actions. This is typically found near the top right area of the client management screen. Click on Actions to open another list of options you can perform on this particular sub-account. In that Actions menu, find and click on Resume Sub-Account. This is the key step that actually reactivates the account. Once you click it, Go High Level will begin restoring access to the sub-account. Depending on the system and any billing or subscription rules you've set up, the account should move from a paused or inactive state back to active. After you've clicked Resume Sub-Account, it's a good idea to confirm that everything worked. You can return to the sub-accounts list and check that the status now shows as active,